My name is Amir Ali, and we help students to clear PMP in the minimum possible time. Since last few years, we have helped students clearing PMP from 7 days to up to 3 to 4 weeks. Yet 7 days up to 21 days. Depending upon how much time you have, we can help you clear PMP exam in the minimum possible time. Now, we are not just saying it as a one claim. We have a success record to prove that. Our success record is one of the highest in the world. We have 99.5% in 2021. We have 250 certified PMP out of 252. Like out of 252 cleared 90, like 250 in the first attempt, and the remaining two students have also passed the PMP exam. So my success record as of today is 100% as an overall and 99.5% in the first attempt. That is one of the highest world record. Like if you want even to see, just scroll wherever you are watching this video. You will see a lot of the journalist videos, a lot of the videos of the successful candidate, like sharing their experience, sharing their valuable advice, how they went to clear from 7 days up to 1 month, depending upon the program which they joined, depending upon how much time they have. All of them have managed to clear these things. And if you want to clear PMP exam, this is something you must join. So let me share you how basically we help the student in 7 days, and then you can decide to clear it with us, or you can use this framework on your own and you can clear the PMP exam by yourself. So let me show you. So we have 250 certified PMP, and I'm extremely happy with that thing. So the new PMP has basically the new PMP now, it's not that new. It has basically three domains: 42% people, 50% process, and 8% business environment. But on actual ground, the real questions that are coming from the PMP, the people domain is highly overpopulated. But what is people domain? People domain is basically agile, team, stakeholder, communication. It's all about actually team. How do you manage that team? And since agile is all about team, so it comes with the agile environment. Process, again, all the stakeholder communication, team comes there, agile come there. Then we have risk, quality, procurement, and the three baseline. And business environment is all about the business thing, the organizational need, organization, governance, compliance, and things like that. So these are the three domains. PMP has changed. So why you guys are still stuck with old method, clearing PMP exam in 5 months, 6 months with the boring boot camp, reading the books? Let me put very important thing clearly. In my program, you do not have to read any kind of book. Yes, if you want to, I can give you my book. But if you don't want to, in my program, you don't have to read any kind of book. And that's the only program who can actually offer this thing. If you want to read book, you can read that. But as a general, you don't have to read any kind of book in my PMP program. So let's move forward and see what are the like 7 days plan which we are going to follow. Straightforward, simple plan. Day one, we will target people who will study life cycle, predictive life cycle, agile life cycle, adaptive, fundamental things. Then we will work on agile mindset and servant leadership. What is servant leadership? How servant leadership can help collaborate, help out the team, things like that. Then we will also discuss like in agile 4 values, 12 principle of agile that comes under the mindset area of the agile. Then we will dive deep into Scrum. Currently, PMP does not have any questions of XP, Kanban, and things like that. So only Scrum will be more than enough. And after that, we will do questions of Agile from 50 to 180 questions, depending upon how much time do you have. That's it, day one. On day two, We will dive into the people domain. We will cover the stakeholder topic in depth, and we will also do 30 questions of that topic. I will share you a video. You will watch a video, then we will have a discussion on that topic. Then communication, 30 question, and team, 150 question. This is important. The PMP exam is all about that team. So we will discuss this thing. So far, actually, we have covered the people domain in 2 days. Agile plus stakeholder plus communication plus team. That is the people domain. We have covered the 42% of the exam, and we have done a good amount of questions. Now you can do it in 1 day, or you can do it in 3 4 days. Again, all depends on how much time you can give that, because each thing need a particular hours of effort, how much effort you can give it. The 7 days, depending upon, if you can give 10 hours, it is 7 days. If you can give 6 hours, it is 2 weeks. If you can give 3 to 4 hours, it is 3 weeks. And depending upon that, it's all about how much time you can put. But I have put the Pareto on it, like 80% of the material I have removed from your preparation. 80% of the material is not required to prepare at all. So once the people domain is done, we will move to the day 3. Now day 3 is a very important thing. Here we will discuss three things: risk, quality, and procurement. Now, in that area, it will actually help to go into depth, but we don't want to go into that depth. PMP exam is not very much heavy. From the experience of the students, 5 to 10 questions are coming from each of these domains. So understanding what are the risks and things like that can help you. And on day 3, we will cover this. Day 4 will again still focus on the process in this domain and business environment. So by day 4, if you have given 10 hours each day, we have covered people, process, business environment. Now the next thing is revision of all those things. It is also the revision of everything. My own flashcard, I'll give you that. You will go through those flashcards that will give the revision of yourself. Then one of the overall videos we are gonna watch that will cover the entire PMP in 2 hours to have a double understanding of the PMP. So we have done the one revision on day 4. On day 5, we will revise all journeys videos. We will clear, maybe we will have a one-to-one session if you have any doubt clearing, and we will do 60 questions of people, 60 process, and 30 business environment. Now, from where we do, we will decide according to that. Maybe we will do it time bound from the software, or we will do it on paper, PDF, depending upon the requirements which we have at that moment. On day 6, we will focus in depth again on the people domain. We will watch one more 2 hours video, and we will focus on the people domain. And we will do 180 question mock. The mock can be my mock, Workday Asm, Triday, Prepcast, EDU HubSpot, or PMI ATP mock, whichever one you want to do. Actually, these mocks, or I have 6 mocks, so do Workday, so do Triday, Prepcast have 4, EDU HubSpot has also good mocks. So you can do any of these mocks, whichever you require. On the last day, the 7th day, we will focus on the process domain. We will have a one-to-one doubt session. Now, one-to-one doubt clearing session, we can have it at any day. It's not necessary. We want to, actually, I will prefer to have daily session on that. Then we will do 60 people, 60 process, and 30 business environment, and go and give your exam and pass the PMP. Now, I am saying this with 99.5% probability. If you follow this roadmap, you will pass. But few things need to understand. It will work best if you can give 10 hours. If you have already taken the training or you failed the exam, this is for you. If it is your first time, then you may need more time than 7 days, but it works all the time. Let me show you the material we will go through in this. So basically, how we make sure that you pass the PMP exam through my daily follow-up. That is my success coaching system. This is my success coaching system, which includes daily follow-up, daily mentorship, simulator, 2 coaching calls in a week, and one-to-one classes. And of course, the cost of this program is $999 US. Please note that exam fees is $545, which is not included it. That's a separate fees. You can contact me at this number or email me there. So let's go into the material. What are the things that are going to be done, and how we are going to make sure. We are going to support you in application. We are going to have a weekly coaching calls with you. If you join our batch program, we can have a 6 days training intensive, then daily follow-up, premium mocks, and all my programs are backed by money back guarantee. Let's say if you are not qualified, I will pay you your money back. And then follow up is the key for working there. Okay, so we are going to go through the mind map of each topic, fundamentals, all these things we will go through one by one. And these visual things actually help you to learn in a better and more positive way. This is how change request is being carried out. This will help you in change, journey of data, journey of deliverable, how three baselines, all three baseline on one page. The flow. So we are studying from the flow, how the flow is done, like scope, schedule, everything we will go through one by one. And once you are ready to take the exam, I will ask you to give the exam. So if you want to become PMP in 2021, you still have time. You can join it. Or if your plan is to become PMP in 2022, you can still join our batch program and can make sure of that. So till next time, unless you become PMP, best of luck.